Okay, so this is a quick view of a Sena headset 50s unboxing. So this is a Sena 50s communication system for the helmet. This is the box. It's very nice. Some warnings. So once you cut these tapes, it comes pretty good. It's a sliding. It makes vacuum, so now here you have the headset. You can take it out. In order to take it off out of the box, you just move it out. It's nice. And now we have a nice box that you can just pull. Everything is fitting correctly. Very nice, very tight. And then we have some instructions that I'm not going to go through it. The simple quick start guide, adapter, how to use it in different language, and then safety and more instructions how to use it, or how to get the app, how to charge it, what to do first. So you can do that. You can take a look or read it. Now we're going to go to the box where it comes the connector, the speakers, mic. So we open it. First we have a mic. This mic, basically you can move it, and then you have the connector. This connector can go to, oh, I'm sorry, to the base, not to this one. So it has kind of Velcro, so that's why it's sticking to it. So we have the mic, then we will have the speakers. So these pads are in case that you need that your helmet to push it to the inner of the helmet, so it can be closer to your ears. Then we have another mic that you can put it close to your mouth in the helmet. In case that you have like an open face or something, you can put it just close to it. Another mic. These stickers are for the speakers, so you can, once you have the speaker, you put it to the speaker, and then this will be attached to this. The speaker will go here. Then we have some brackets. This bracket will help to have the speaker, I'm sorry, the connectors to the base. I will show you in a moment. We have an Allen wrench. We have for the mic that if you are going to put it in a place, you can just put it there and it will be firm. We have a base in case that you don't have a helmet where you can put it through. You can stick it to the outside part of the helmet. Some more like cushion pads, mic covers, more mic covers. Now we have the speakers and the bass. So this one comes, this is the base where you are going to plug the system. You're going to slide it. Once it's there, the two speakers. What I was talking about, you can put this directly to the pad, like this, and you hold it. Or if you want to put it directly to the helmet, you're gonna stick it to the helmet and boom. So it depends how you want to do it and how you want to have your setup. So we have the speakers, the bass for it. This is made. These speakers are Harman Kardon. This is very good quality speakers. And also we have a wire or cable to plug to the computer or to any charger, and it has the type C connector. I don't know if you can see. I will take this out. This connector is special, but you can use any kind of type C connector, but this one has some things like internet wiring and connections, so you have to make a setup in order to upgrade or update your Sena 50s. And yeah, so that's it. I will put everything here together and I will show you again what is in the box. So we have the headset, we have a wire, we have the speakers, we have the base that you use in order to connect it to the bracket for the helmet. You can interchange the speakers or the mic. You can remove this bracket and use one of these mics, like it can be like a small one that is not movable. Once you have it in the helmet, you can use this one that has also Velcro, and then use it and move it to where you need. And then this is the base that goes in the other side for the helmet. And you have this pad in order to move the helmet or the speakers closer to your ears. And these are microphone pads, and these are maybe, I don't know what they are for, but these are soft like rubber. So I think that if you have something that is vibrating, or you need like a gap to close a gap, you just put it between. I don't know exactly what this is for, but this is what you have when you buy a Sena 50s. Let me know your comments. Hope you like it. 8 minutes, not too much.